That's my best friend.
I am your host Shonda, and this is my channel Mango's Closet. Thank you so much for joining me again today. So today, you guys, we're going to be talking about the new item that Redbubble has now engaged in. So we are able to make items for that. We are able to make products for that item. So let's jump into it. But before we get started, let's talk about what I am going to be drinking today. So today I am going to be drinking the Kelvita Master Brew Kombucha. It's really good. This is the pineapple peach. It's really close to mango, so that's why I chose it. It only has 60 calories per serving, and a serving is one bottle. So really good on the calories, you guys. You can pick this up at your local. I got this one from Sprouts. So you can get it at your local grocery store. I've seen them as well inside of Smith's, and they are also available on Amazon.com. So I already opened this. It's really good. It's really close to the mango flavor that I like. So I will definitely purchase it again. The pineapple flavor really overpowers the peach, but I think the peach, you can taste it more in the after notes, almost like wine, right? But the pineapple flavor is first, so it's really good. So if you want something low calorie, is also going to be good because it has the probiotics, the live probiotics, which helps your immune system. So this is something to start drinking for the fall and the winter months, so you can protect your immune system or rev it up. Okay, so that is what I'm drinking. If you would like to try it, I will put the link in the description as always. So let's get started into the video. So first of all, let me make myself a little smaller. All right, so we go over here to Redbubble, and oh, I'm sorry. Let me float myself on top. I don't know why I never have that situated. But anyway, so we're over here in Redbubble. So what we are going to do, if you've been following me, you already should have an account and everything. It's free to join. You should already have everything set up where you can go in and start creating your items. So the first thing we want to do is go to our account, and we're going to add artwork. So basically, this is going to be a really easy task simply because the measurements are going to be the same as the t-shirts and the sweatshirts. Not the sweatshirt, because the sweatshirt is new and the hoodies are new. So they have several different types of hoodies. They have like a lightweight hoodie and a pullover hoodie, and then also a hoodie with a zipper. And then also the sweatshirt is going to be a new item as well. So the thing that is gonna make it so easy is that the sweatshirts and hoodies have the same size measurements for artwork as the t-shirt, so you don't have to worry about any of that as far as size wise, which is going to be 3200 pixels by 2400 pixels. You don't have to worry about that size. So if you have made a lot of t-shirts using the size for that image, you can also use those to use for your sweatshirts going forward. And then if you watch my other video on how to transfer these images, like your old images, into the new items that are coming out, I made a video about that, so you want to watch that one, so that way you don't have to go through each and every item that you created prior to this and slap the new artwork on it. All you have to do is click a couple buttons and it's going to be all done for you. So watch that video if you need help with that. Okay, so let's get started. So what you want to do is go ahead and upload your artwork. So I have my artwork already pre-loaded. I'm just going to grab something that I pretty much used before. So We'll use this skeleton, the skull with the weights. Yeah, I'm just gonna use this one. And like I said, the size does not have to change. Now I have this one, it's size 4500 pixels by 5400 pixel because this is something that I used for Amazon. So that's their measurements on Amazon. So what you have to do is kind of just probably scale this down a little bit. But the measurements for Redbubble is going to be the 3200 by 2400. So let's go ahead and upload this one. All right, we're just going to name it something weights. I'm going to name it weights of the skull. Weight of the skull. Yeah, that's good enough. Weight of the skull. So pretty much I'll use this for motivation, for workouts, skull, weights, and so on and so on. You guys know how to put the tag words and everything in there like that. I did a video on that as well. So if you want to go back and watch that, you will get the step-by-step guide on how to make all of this work for you. So you're going to put your description in if you like to. You're going to go down here. So what I want to do is I'm just going to concentrate on the pullover hoodies, and let's just do the pullover hoodie right now. So if you concentrate on the pullover hoodie, this is what's going to happen. It's going to show first as a display. But just keep in mind all the other items in this category will display as well. So you will have your t-shirts, you will have your sweatshirts, you will have your tank tops and everything like that. So let me show you what you want to do. So it's going to be right here on the first product, and it's called standard print clothing. So you're going to click edit there, scroll down a little bit, and you can see that this is right here on the edge, probably because my Amazon image is just going to be slightly larger than the Redbubble image. So if you want, you can scale it down if you like, and you can add words and stuff like that. You guys kind of know. And don't try to center it yourself. Go ahead and hit horizontal and vertically, and it's going to center it right for you. Because in a lot of them, I was centering them myself, just kind of like gauging from the eye view. But when I looked at it, once it had been created, it was like a little off. So you don't want that. You don't want a customer having to send your shirt back because it was a little off. So go ahead and use this vertically and horizontally center design button. So what you can do here also is the first step, you're going to go to style, and it's going to say the first one is essential t-shirt. So that is the one that's going to be displaying now. So what you want is to select the hoodie. Now you can do the pullover, and then they have a zipper hoodie, and then the pullover sweatshirt. Those are the three new products. So I'm going to select the pullover hoodie because I want that to display and to see how my image actually looks on that. So once you see how your image looks, now what you can do, if you wanted to bring this item up a little bit, you can bring it up with your arrow. Make sure you stay in the lines. And then what you want to do always is go ahead and click horizontally. So that way it's centered, but you brought it up a little bit. If you hit vertically now, it's going to go back to the same place where it was. So you don't want to do that. So you want to just bring it up as high as you like. So about right there. I try to make sure that it's not on the line, but just a little space below it just to be certain that it doesn't get cut off. And then you want to hit horizontally. So what you want to do next is go ahead and choose your color. So right now it's on white. You can choose a color that looks good. Black looks good. Blue looks good. Let's see what this, I don't like that one. I don't like that one. Let's go with the blue. I like the blue. So like I said before, you guys, with the style, it's going to be on all these other products. Your image is going to be on all these other products, okay? Because these are all in the same category. So what you put on one will come out on the other ones as well. So when you check hoodie pullover, that just means you want the hoodie to, that just means you want the hoodie to display right here for you so you can see actually how it looks. And then you can kind of check the other ones if you like. But I'm going to keep it on the hoodie pullover because that's the one I want to use. So if you check the other ones and you find that you want to scale down or something, you can go ahead and do that as well, you know. But I want this one to display. So I'm going to have to go back and put my color blue on there. And then, oh, I'm sorry, I said the print size was 34 by, I think I said, I don't know, but it's 24 by 3200 pixels. My bad. All right, so just go down and then select apply changes, and that's that. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is disable everything else because I'm just doing this to show you guys, and I don't want, even though it looks great on the hat, I don't want to use any of these other ones. Okay, so this is pretty cool that Redbubble is coming out with more and more products every time I turn around, which is cool. So that gives us more and more ways to generate some income. How are you guys doing with your putting your images on if you are in the challenge? I'm not doing that great because I've just been so busy lately. So I think I'm almost at 500 items though. So we still have a little ways to go until the first of the year. So I'm thinking I can catch up, especially with the holidays and everything coming up. Maybe I'll get a little time to kind of chill and get some artwork up. So, all right, so we're going to go ahead and hit digital art. It's optimized, so it's going to show the best ones first. So is this mature content? No, anybody can view, and then I have the rights. So you're going to go ahead and save your work. So it's pretty simple, you guys. All you have to do is go in and then select the hoodie so you can see how it looks on there. All right, so weight of the skull. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to see all the other shirts that were available. And this is, no, we didn't do the lightweight hoodie. We did the pullover hoodie, which is this one here. So yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do. Actually, they look good on all of these. And then like if someone were to come in, you can view the product. And I think they can switch the colors if they like. And just remember, it's either front or back. You can't get a design on the back and front. So it's either or, not both. So just remember that because I was I wanted to do a design on front and back. Amazon has it where you can do designs on front of the shirt and back of the shirt as well. But Redbubble, I think they're gonna try to incorporate that, but so far, no cigar. So this is telling you here they have the 5 different colors, so people could come in and select which color they want that way. Okay. All right, you guys, that's what I wanted to show you today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And I hope you make some t-shirts. Be sure to make like Christmas t-shirts. You can make Christmas t-shirts for your family, for the family gatherings. Instead of like getting an ugly sweater or something, you can make ugly t-shirts. You can make ugly Christmas sweater t-shirts. That way everyone will be sure to have the same shirt on, which will be really cool. I recently made some shirts for my family for the family gathering. They were really cool. They came out great. So, and we ordered them from Redbubble. So yeah, be sure. Oh, also, if you guys have a business or something, you know that you can, design your business, promote your business by making t-shirts on here, wearing them. I think I'll probably make a Mango's Closet t-shirt so I could wear it online. And you guys can purchase them if you want to. I would definitely appreciate it. So we'll see if that happens. But for now, this is how you create the hoodie. All right. If you're excited about the hoodie, let me know in the comments. If you are still doing the challenge with me, guys, let me know in the comments as well. And thank you so much for joining the video. Be sure to drink one of these drinks and let me know how you like it. It has like a little vinegary taste, but I think that just has to do with the way that it's made because it's like a fermented drink. So yeah, um, let me know what you think about the probiotic drink. Another thing, you guys, like if you have a cold, I'm just saying this from my experience. I'm not a doctor or anything, but I just know, like, you know how you start to feel like the little symptoms, like a headache or something. I usually go and get one of these if I don't have like the probiotic pills. I will go and get one of these and just drink it, and it just helps so much. So if you want something natural instead of like taking medicine and stuff, just give this a try and see, if it works for you. So, like I said, no medical advice or anything like that, but that's what happens for me. So, I love them. All right, you guys. So let me let you go, and thank you so much for joining me. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.